This 514 litre Hisense fridge is the perfect size for a large family and is available in a stainless steel finish. The door hinge is on the right-hand side and the height is 1,756 millimetres. The width is 790 millimetres and the depth with the door and handle is 735 millimetres. The fridge capacity is 348 litres and the freezer capacity is 166 litres. There are lots of handy features in this Hisense refrigerator, including a super cool function, a super freeze function, the removable wine rack and a 2.5 litre indoor water dispenser. The LED lighting is bright and more energy efficient than conventional incandescent bulbs. They also produce less heat and have a longer lifespan. And the humidity-controlled crisper allows food to stay fresher for longer. You'll find many more fantastic features built into this fridge. It's frost-free, has electronic temperature control, a multi-function touch control system, multi-airflow system, holiday power save function, door alarm, adjustable spill-proof glass shelves, and a large fruit and vegetable humidity-controlled crisper. And then there's the freezer, which is a frost-free freezer and comes with 3 drawers and a twist ice tray. The fridge is covered by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and features a 4-star energy rating. And that's the 514 litre Hisense fridge. Thanks for watching.